Let's say you're relaxing at home watching TV. You see a character in your favorite TV show eating a piece of your favorite cake. You suddenly become hungry for cake. If you make a wish, you may say or think something like this: I wish somebody would give me some cake. Then you would sit there and wait for the cake fairy to bring you some cake. Unfortunately, you may be waiting for a while. On the other hand, consider a choice. You see the person on TV enjoying the cake, so you say to yourself, "Oh, that looks good. I'm going to bake a cake." Once you make a choice, something extraordinary will happen. You will be moved to action as if a powerful force has propelled you. You would quickly do a mental inventory, plan the time and effort required, and you would actually feel excitement knowing that in an hour or two you would have some cake. This feeling of positive expectation happens when we make choices and own the choices and then take action. Our brains shift from wishing and hoping to planning and executing. As soon as you make the conscious decision to make a cake, you budget the time, plan the activities, and then have a real and honest expectation of eating cake. The exact same process happens when we set real goals based on real choices and real skill and real action. No matter what you want, you'll learn to set a goal correctly and then have that positive expectation that it will happen. One word of caution though, that feeling of receiving an unexpected gift, like your neighbor suddenly bringing you a cake just when you wish for one, is a completely different feeling than that positive expectation based on your own choice and examples. That feeling of getting something for nothing or simply being a receiver can be a hard feeling to leave behind. But once you see how repeatable this process is, you will learn that your entire life can be filled with creations of your own choice. In our next video, we'll go over some common fears and internal blocks we have when setting real goals and common excuses we give ourselves for not setting goals. I'll see you there.